Hello everyone, today we're going to introduce you our control panel. You can also call it control box. As you can see, we already connect all the wires to the control panel, and the power already attached to the two units too. The first switch is for the amber color, and the second switch is for white color. The third switch is for dim function. The fourth switch is for directional function, and this momentary switch is for the changing pattern. Okay, let's test it. So the first one, you can see the amber light down, and if you want white light, turn on white light. And if you want two light flash alternatively, turn on two switches at the same time. You will see the two light flash alternatively. And let's test this momentary switch. You can see the pattern changing. Okay, let's test the dim function. You can see the light intensity decreased, and we turn off of it, the light intensity go back to the original level. Okay, let's see the directional function. When you turn on the directional function, you also can use this momentary switch to change pattern. Additionally, the directional function, it can work without turn on the two color switch. You can turn it on only turn on this function switch. And if you want only one color to do the directional function, just turn on the color switch. Okay, if you want to go back to the first pattern, press the momentary switch for 3 to 5 seconds. Release it, you will go back to the first one pattern. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video.